makeup look, which is super cute, super girly, and I don't know, it's just gorgeous. I love this makeup look, I love this style, and it's super easy to do, and it makes your face look so cute. So let's make it. I'm in love with this makeup look. It makes your face look so cute and it flatters your face like really, really, really well. So if you like this video, please go and press that subscribe button and share it to your friends, because this is a great makeup for Christmas or for Valentine's Day or for a night out. So make sure you will do it, because you will always look good in this makeup. Kisses and bye bye.